How to message and chat your friends on Roblox. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can message and chat with your Roblox friends. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open your Roblox application. So once you click on your Roblox account and application, you'll be redirected to your homepage. You need to first log into your Roblox account. So once you have logged in, you'll be able to see an interface like this. So now Roblox has updated their application and they have switched the chat option to party. So you'll be able to see party option here at the bottom. So you can just click on party. And once you click on that, you'll be able to see all of your friends listed over here. So you can either click on a specific chat of any of your friends and start chatting and messaging with them, or you can even click on this plus icon over here. And then you can create a party with friends. Like you can add couple of people, like couple of friends in the same group chat, and basically it will create a group chat of your friends. You can then just search for friends and then click on create. Or you can also individually message your friends by coming to this party section. So that is basically how you can chat and message with your friends on Roblox. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.